Hi, my name is Ben, and join me as I explore Germany, one city, one adventure, one story at a time. So, sana ma-appreciate nyo ito yung effort ko kasi gumawa talaga ako ng script regarding for this one. And I speak English so everyone can understand me as much as my accent is really not that good. And my pronunciation is not that really fine as the other journalists or other travel vlogs. And I'll make it up to you guys. So, yung last part ng video ko is medyo, about this castle is medyo knowledgeable naman. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's we're reaching out to the most magical place in Germany, Neuschwanstein Castle. If this place look familiar, that because it's inspired by the famous fairy tale castle used by Disney. Sitting high in the Bavarian Alps, surrounded by forests, mountains, and lakes, it honestly feels like you're stepping into the storybook. Personally, I feel like I'm one of the Disney princess somewhere na hindi pa na-discover. Parang gagawa sila ang Disney ng story about sa akin nung nakapunta ako dyan. Assuming ka. Neuschwanstein Castle was built in 19th century by King Ludwig II of the Bavaria, who was often called the Fairy Tale King. Construction started in 1869, and castle was designed as a fantasy places that a traditional royal residence. Interestingly, Ludwig II only lived here for only very short time before he died in 1886, and the castle was never fully completed. And I heard that, correct me if I'm wrong, that he wishes that this castle will be a private one. Yun yung alam ko, yung nabasa ko or na panood ko sa somewhere, may nag-travel vlog. So, dapat private siya. Kaso, parang ngayon hindi na naging private na kasi ginawa na siyang tourist spot. Inside the castle, na hindi ko na-experience, the room are incredibly detailed, inspired by the German legend and operas by Richard Wagner. You'll see a grand halls, beautiful murals, and some surprisingly advanced technology for the time, including as early as telephone system and running water. To reach the castle, visitors are usually started from the village of the Hohenwangau. Sana, correct me if I'm wrong, my pronunciation is really, really, really different when it comes to the German language. And then either walk about 30 to 40 minutes uphill. Yun yung napakita ko sa inyo mga unang vlog ko. Naglakad ako from village up to hill up to that place. Up to that castle. Kung gusto nyo, you can take a shuttle bus. Medyo taman kayo at napipiling kayong hindi worth it yung paglalakad. You can, pero personally, I suggest try to walk. I mean, there's nothing wrong about walking. It's safe. It's also worth it kasi yung view nga. And you have other option. Yung nakita ko is, you can ride a horse carriage. And for me, and trust me, the walk was worth it because the view alone was very absolutely incredible. It's a breathtaking view, so don't waste your time riding to the shuttles. Ito, especially this one. This park is a breathtaking view. Kasang ganda ko pa. Breathtaking view. Kasang ganda ko pa. Sana mayaman rin ako. Hindi sana, yayaman rin ako. Yun rin isa akong wish. Aside sa maganda ako. So, binabalance ni Lord eh. So, may isa ako hindi napuntahan kasi winter na. It's a winter season. So, some of the places or some of the highlights of this tour was not yet visited. So, I hope this summer I can visit it again. And I know it's really wonderful. One of the best viewpoint is the Merenbrücke. The bridge behind me. May makikita kang bridge behind me. From here, you can see the iconic postcard view of the castle with the mountain in the background. And nung time na to, so at this park, pumintig na yung, pumapitit na yung gutom mo ba? So I bought this sausage. Ang tawag dito? Currywurst. For almost 5 euro, 5.75 as I recall. Or 6 euro. Not yet sure. I forgot the prices. Worth it. Sobrang worth it niya. Kasi sobrang sarap nung sandwich. Tapos bumili rin ako ng coffee. So ayun nga, naramdaman ko ng malamig. Nagnanab na yung ilong ko eh. Yung ilong ko, pula-pula. Pikachu kasi. After I eat, I also continue walking to the bus station. Kasi ito may makikita ko mga gold. Wala kayo isa naman. So, yung nilakaran ko kanina, yun rin nilakaran ko balik. Kasi yun lang yung way. No other way to walk with or para makarating ka doon sa baba. Kasi kung meron talaga lakaran ko, wala akong pakalam kahit medyo delikado. Yung mga iski-iski nito, yung pangarap kong lakaran. And that brings us to the end of today's journey. Visiting the Neuschwanstein Castle has honestly been like a stepping into the real fairy tale life or real life fairy tale. So, naramdaman ko talaga isa akong prinsesa na hindi pa na-discover ng Disney. Parang gagawa yung Disney Plus sa akin ng story. Kaso ang highlight is nagkukuskus ka ng ball. If you're ever travel through Bavaria, this is definitely the place you shouldn't miss. This is the best. Ilagay nyo sa itinerary niya. Puntahan nyo, maglibot kayo, sulitin nyo yung lakad, mag-picture kayo hanggat gusto nyo, kahit tumawid kayo na gabi. Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. Please don't forget to follow me, like this video, and see me to the next travel. And that will be another castle. And thank you for everyone who watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this, and yes, you know the drill. Follow, like, share, comment. Follow, like, share, comment.
Şuraya